It's really important to understand that if you're in the back of the court, you're not just becoming one-dimensional and playing to the back of the court with a generally defensive drive or cross-court, but also having the ability and the options to put your opponent on the back foot by being offensive, not only from the front, but the back of the court. So as I'm playing the drop from the back of the court, I'm really focusing on having an open stance, slightly bent movement, because the ball is generally going to be loose when we're using these options, and using my transfer of weight from my right leg through to my left leg so I can take the ball in short, but also move up the court and be covering both sides, whether my opponent's going to counter me or if I don't get it quite right, I can cover that ball. Now, again, the aspect of being open stance, getting low, and really using the sidewall as my follow-through, shortening my swing from the back of the court, will allow the ball to stay shorter in the front of the court.